Now, from the studios of Into Tomorrow in Miami, this is ITTV.
Hello, Into Tomorrow viewers. I'm Dave Graveline. Welcome back to another informative and exciting ITTV weekly update. You know, we are a lot more than just a weekly video report. We also produce and invite you to participate on a 3-hour radio show every week, covering technology and consumer gadgets called Into Tomorrow. In addition to our 189 AM and FM radio affiliates all around the U.S., you can hear our show anytime, 24/7, by visiting our website at intotomorrow.com or on our free apps. We stream the last 7 weeks of radio broadcasts, so you won't miss a thing. Speaking of not missing out, have you entered our cool Into Tomorrow Hot Summer Giveaway yet? This September will be our 10th anniversary broadcast from IFA, the huge consumer electronics and appliance show in Berlin. And we're taking 2 of our listeners with us to Germany. How would you like to join us for free? Just check out our main page at intotomorrow.com for details and enter. And good luck. Our TeenTech reporter Mandee was on vacation last week, cruising on the Carnival Breeze. Of course, being Into Tomorrow, we had to send our cameras along and caught her working a little too. She brought back this TeenTech report on some of the features of that ship.
Hey, this is Mandee Graveline reporting from the deck of the Carnival Breeze, the newest ship in Carnival's fleet. I took a break from my family vacation to check out some of the new technology. Now let's start off right away with meeting the captain. Let's go to the bridge.
What kind of technology would you consider most helpful to you?
Navigational side, we have many different systems that help me to do my job, especially when I'm maneuvering. One of these systems is this one, that it helps me a lot because technical speaking, it lets me understand how the ship moves. That is the most important thing when I'm parking a ship alongside. Once we are approaching the pier and we are 5 or 6 cables from the pier, I usually transfer the controls here on the port on starboard wing according to the side where we dock. Another challenge that we have on this class of ship this class of ship has the lanai that is beautiful for guests but doesn't give me the chance to see the ship side. I have a camera underneath and I can use these 2 big screens to see underneath in a way that I can understand the distance from the fenders and slowly touch it. And here I have thrusters, engines, so it's mainly done by the captain to move the ship in a way that I need it. One more thing that usually is quite nice for everybody is these windows that I have here that is mainly used to understand the mark that I have on all the piers to understand when we are in position. Yeah, since I came 15 years ago, many things have improved and I have now systems that help me a lot in all the things, navigational, safety, fire detection, fire prevention, all the things have been improved a lot. And we are still working to improve many things.
What would you consider to be the coolest piece of technology on the Breeze?
The coolest pieces of technology, I do believe that is the latest version of the radar, that is the Platinum. That is mainly, with this one we can check many things that is not just for navigation, engines, many things are all in the system here. You can see the island and everything. So I have the same monitor in my cabin, I can check what they are doing and it's a nice piece of technology. I honestly found myself proud of the job that I do.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time.
It was really a pleasure to be with you here today.
Now we're talking with Simon, the IS manager of the Carnival Breeze. Can you take us through your main duties on the ship?
Effectively, IS provides communications. Now, we're here to service as an intermediary between the outside world, the office, external vendors, and our internal guests, yourselves, plus the crew members on board. Anything technologically based that requires communications comes through us. I love the Wi-Fi infrastructure. It's very, very diverse. It's very extensive. It's been something that we've adapted and modified over the years to the level now that we provide voice over IP capabilities to our guests and our crew. It's very, very different. I haven't seen that before until I came here, and in the last few years, it's got more and more expensive.
What technology advancements have you seen change since you started with Carnival?
I think it's easier to look at it the other way. To be honest, there's not a lot that hasn't changed. In the 8 years that I've been here, the ship's infrastructure has changed dramatically. Here in the data center, as you can see, we now run virtualized servers, which are fairly new to any environment. But for us, we are rolling it out across the fleet. Also, again, our Wi-Fi infrastructure has expanded to include services that we thought once before were just never possible. We have a set of satellites on board that communicate externally, so we have external lines going through the office that connect us to the outside world. We also have email on board as well, of course. I think the company is diversifying a lot. It's getting more and more technology based. As we try to stay competitive in not only the cruise industry but in the hospitality business, we need to adapt. So our technologies are not only evolving, but they're becoming more and more widespread. Everybody now is walking around with a smartphone or a tablet or something of this type. We need to be able to use that and integrate it on board.
We're here with Butch Begovich, the cruise director from the Carnival Breeze.
Hey, how you doing, Butch?
I'm wonderful, Amanda. How are you today?
Great. Can you tell us a little bit about the Thrill Theater?
Yeah, the Thrill Theater here on the Carnival Breeze. It's a 24-seat interactive 3D movie experience with the addition of touch as well.
What was the incentive that Carnival had to build the Thrill Theater?
Well, we wanted to offer our guests an additional experience, an additional entertainment experience or a venue that, one, they normally wouldn't find in a cruise ship setting, and two, something to enhance our entertainment product on our ships here on the Carnival Breeze. It's the first Thrill Theater in our fleet, and so this was sort of a little experiment and a little bit of a test. It's been very popular. People enjoy it so much that they come back again and again and again throughout an entire voyage, so it's been a wonderful addition to our entertainment product.
How does technology help you as being the cruise director?
Well, oh my goodness, technology is moving at the speed of light, and we are, trying to keep up with the technology as much as possible, not only here with offering something as innovative as a Thrill Theater at sea or a 3D movie experience at sea. We are incorporating technology all over the ship through our local Wi-Fi network with our brand new Fun Hub, where now you can get all of the schedules and the daily activities and things digitally through your tablet computer or your personal computer. We're incorporating technology in entertainment in our new production shows with playlist productions using LED light technology as the sort of the catalyst of our scenery. We use iPads here on board to change lighting, to look at cameras and surveillance. So technology is a huge part of our daily lives here on the Carnival Breeze, not only in entertainment but as management as well.
Hope you enjoyed our quick look at this fun ship. I'm going to get back to my vacation. I'm Mandee Graveline. See you next time on TeenTech.
Thanks, Mandee. If you have any questions about technology, a tip for other listeners, or want to share some tech rage with us, call us toll-free anytime 24/7 via the Ask Dave hotline. You can even Skype into it from anywhere in the world. Ready? 1-800-899-INTO. That's 1-800-899-4686. Of course, you can also use our free Into Tomorrow app for your mobile device. We'd prefer that, for that matter. It's available on many platforms. We look forward to hearing your call on the air and then sending you prizes just for participating. It's time now to take a look back at the technology of yesterday with Chris Graveline and This Week in Tech History. Chris reminds us of some cool technological milestones.
This week in 1974, the Universal Product Code, or UPC, was scanned for the first time to sell a package of Wrigley's chewing gum at the Marsh Supermarket in Troy, Ohio. And in a very busy week in 1998, CompUSA announced that it was buying Computer City from Tandy for $275 million. Tandy was selling the sickly chain as part of a turnaround it had started the previous year. Also in 1998, AT&T announced that it was buying cable TV giant TCI for $31.7 billion. The deal let AT&T move closer to its goal of providing local phone and high-speed internet service to millions of U.S. homes. And this week, also in 1998, Windows 98 was released. Microsoft used the slogan, "Works better, plays better." The company said the new operating system would bring an increased computer experience by providing a rich feature set for a wider variety of users than ever before. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA Berlin, the global innovation show with a rich history all its own. Get more info at ifa-berlin.com. Don't forget to get social with us. Stop by our Facebook page at fb.com/intotomorrow or follow our official Twitter feed at IT Radio Show.
If you don't want to miss any of these weekly ITTV updates, and we hope you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can find links to our YouTube channel as well as our Twitter and Facebook pages near the top of our site at intotomorrow.com. And subscribing and liking our Facebook page, just like calling into the radio show, gets you bonus entries in our Berlin trip giveaway. Either way, we hope you visit us often. Well, that'll do it for this week's ITTV web show. You can catch us again right here and on the radio. We'll see you soon. Hello, Into Tomorrow viewers. I'm Dave Graveline. Welcome back to another...